What's up, world? I've just moved back from Tokyo to England, so sorry that my room's a mess. The TV's not even on the wall yet. As I said, I've just come back for like 5 days, and I just wanted to get a video that I've been promising to post for a very long time, and that is what picture profile do I use on the Sony camera, because every single time I post a video, all in the comment section is, what are your settings? So, without further ado, here goes. The picture profile that I am doing, I just am on picture profile 1 and I'm in Cine 4. And yeah, these are just the settings that I've been using. So black level is set to -4, gamma is Cine 4, black gamma, the range is middle, the level is -1, knee is set to auto, color mode is pro, saturation is -4, color phase -1, color depth goes like this: 0, +1, +2, 0, 0, +1. And finally, detail is -2. Those are my settings. I think they're perfect for vlogging, especially if you don't want to do a color grade. I feel like they make the skin tones and the colors seem a bit more Canon-like. But that's what I've found is the best settings to get a straight out of camera, color graded, just a good look for a vlog if you're doing Casey Neistat style and you're like, screw color grading, I just want to get videos out there every day, haven't got time to do that. If you do have time to color grade, I do throw on a LUT. And it's pretty much all I do, and maybe I'll tweak images just a little bit, but not a lot. And they are a pack of LUTs that I got from a guy called Cody Blue. If you haven't checked out his YouTube channel, there'll be a link in the description. Check him out, buy his LUTs. They're really, really good if you're using these kind of settings. And the LUT that I use from him is Cine Tahoe. And I'll do a video on how I color grade my footage, because I'm sure you all want to know that. And yeah, that was just a short video. Alright guys, if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and I will see you in the next one. Peace!